In this video, we're going to discuss automatic activation of staged images within the Nerdio Manager for Enterprise 4.8 release. This is a new feature we've added to allow administrators to automate the entire image lifecycle process. Previously, between staging an image, validating that the staged image is working correctly, and deploying the image, the administrator would need to take a manual action to activate that image in order for it to be deployed to host pools. However, we've introduced a function whereby administrators can automate that activation after a specified period of time, and therefore, if there is an issue, action is required to prevent that activation. But if all things are operating as expected, the activation will happen automatically. This is configured against existing images by choosing the Configure Auto Activation menu item and specifying an activation window. So let's assume in this instance that we're going to provide 10 days of testing within the whilst the image is staged. After that 10-day window has completed, if no action has been taken, this image will automatically be activated and apply to session hosts to which it's linked. If an administrator needs to take action, so if it's detected during this window, during this testing window, that actually there are problems with the image, the administrator simply needs to untick this box, save and close, and then the automated activation will not occur. Additionally, administrators can choose to either keep the current version as a backup, or, I think as most would, remove the current version after activation to avoid additional storage costs. I hope this video has been useful. Thank you for your time, and we'll see you again.